I just found an abandoned 1992 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution out here. Come on, pull again! Keep pulling, keep going! This 1992 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution is heavily rusted, but the chassis is still salvageable. We're removing the engine from the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Easy now, watch the mounts. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution frame needs precise welding. Rebuilding the engine of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution carefully. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution is ready for paint. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution interior looks brand new again. This Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution paint job looks perfect. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution is fully restored.